Steve and Dave use eToro to trade cryptocurrencies. Steve does extensive research in order to find the next Bitcoin.
Dave does research on how to become a level 60 wizard.
Steve follows the feed for the latest crypto news.
Dave follows the feed for the latest cat videos.
Steve has a watch list for promising breakout coins.
Dave has a watch list too.
So why is Dave just as good a trader as Steve?
It's because Dave used eToro's copy trader to automatically replicate Steve's trading activity. Whenever Steve makes a trade, Dave does too.
Trade like a Steve with eToro, the world's leading social trading platform.
What's good? What's good in the hood, my friends? What's going on? All right. So today we're sitting down. First off, we're gonna have a little bit more something. I'm not sure what is going on right now with my computer. For some reason, my market clock. What is like? Can you guys? I don't know if you can see this. You can't see it, but for some reason, on DOS Trader, it's my market clock is showing that it's 6 in the morning. For a minute there, I was like, wait, is it 9 o'clock or is it 6 o'clock? I don't really know what's going on. So we got this stock here, UUU. It's got a 1.4 million share float. It's up already 265% here pre-market. Let's talk about it. What is going on? If you look here at the chart, this is a 5-minute chart. Yesterday had a little bit of a spike after hours. I guess they had some news. Let's see what the news is. And up 12:29. News. I don't really see any exact. I don't see any groundbreaking news here. Do you guys see any groundbreaking news? Looking at this article online, it's not really like, it's all just a pump article. I don't know. Do you guys see any news? I don't see any news. Anybody? Can you hear me? Is this thing on? Mic check. What's good? It's up to 300% now, up there to the $12 area on UUU. This thing's going to the moon right now. It's rockin' rolling, baby. Look at it. Would you just look at it? So let's look at the daily chart. See what's going on with the daily chart here. Whoa. Check out that daily chart there. This thing has spiked up big before, but never this big. I'm going back here, looking at the chart, going way back. I mean, we're all the way back here. I mean, I think there was probably like a reverse split at some point, because if you go all the way back to like 06, the stock was trading at $35, but I'm guessing that they did a reverse split. But there is I'm showing 1.4. You can see here showing 1.4 million shares in the float. That's fun. That's awesome. Mara to 1,000. Wow. That's it. What do you call it? That's promising. That's a very interesting idea you got there, Alejandro. I think Bitcoin to $1 million. $1 million. So you can see here what we got going on this morning. We got a couple stocks moving around. We got UU. We got UU moving around there. We got, let me move this over a little bit. Can I move that? Can you guys see the ticker symbols there? Maybe I'll like do this a little bit. Maybe that'll help out. There we go. That makes it a little bit better. No, I think you can see the ticker symbols, right? I'm using not using Thinkorswim. I'm using Trade Ideas for a scanner this morning. If you're new to the channel, there's a link in the description. Find out more about it. Help a brother out. If you're gonna buy it, you might as well buy it through my link. I mean, come on now. Help me help you. You know what I mean? I don't understand why my market clock. This is so weird. The market clock on DOS Trader. Maybe I'll pull it over here. Is it a countdown for no? Wait. So what is happening? Can you guys see that? For some reason, this is my market clock. Can you see that? I don't know why it's showing. Oh, it's 6 hours. It's showing 6 hours till market close. That is so weird. Why would my market clock be set to that? There we go. That's better. 21 minutes till market open now. It's funny that the clock shows the countdown till the market close. Kind of a weird thing. I would say. When you say, I'd say that's kind of weird. I don't really care when the market closes. I want to know when the market's got to open, baby. Let's go. All right. So, like I said, I got a chair today. We're trying some stuff out. Next week is going to be the official launch of the new and improved Madness live stream here. But we're just doing some little test runs here this week, getting everything all dialed in. I'm not sure I really love this this background and stuff yet. We'll see. I'm kind of just going through. It's not easy trying to be so beautiful online. This morning, we've got a couple stocks moving around this morning. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. My top 10 list for 2021. Nope. Me giving you a top 10 list for 2021 would basically be, you might as well just go buy a lottery ticket at this point. You know? You might as well just go out and buy a lottery ticket. Live trading show with no trading. No, Donald. No trading here. We're just here to look at the charts. It's too early. It's too early in the morning for Donald right now. Can't deal with him. So we got this stock here, UUU, almost up there to $13 now, pulling back to the $10 area. Looking at the 5-minute chart, definitely looking a little overextended right now. Up, down, all around. Brandon with the $6 move on ACY yesterday. Talk about making that money. You can see yesterday ACY going from, $5 to a high there at 38. Look at the resume, though. This thing resumed after getting halted. I think it resumed, it opened at $17. So a 50% drop or more, really. Wow. Somebody bought at the top. Some poor bastard bought all the way up here and then got out down here. That's how you make money in the stock market. You buy high and you sell low. Okay? If you want to get rich, it's a guaranteed way to do it. All right. Looking at the scanner here, we got the Trade Idea scanner pulled up. We got UUU, we got TCCO, we got TENX, 10X, and KOSS. With some good gappers so far this morning. A lot of volume across the board. We got probably, five good gappers. So let's break down the charts here and see what we got going on. We'll start at the top, obviously, with UUU right now. We already really talked about this one. The pre-market highs so far today, that 1450 area pre-market high, kind of giving us a little bit of a trend, I'd say here. A little bit of a trend on this move here so far. If you really wanted to kind of draw a trend line on it there. Look for a bit of a pullback. And I don't know, see what happens going into open here. It does have a small float. We've had this big momentum in these small float movers. 1.4 million shares in the float. Yesterday, ACY was a big mover. And yeah, that thing went crazy. So there's momentum right now. It's the end of the year, and everyone's trying to get rich, right? Everyone's just trying to get rich, I guess. those last bit, couple days till the end of 2020. How much money can you make in the final days of 2020? Look at this crazy stock as well. TCCO this morning, what, 5:30? 5:30 in the morning. What were you guys doing at 5:30 in the morning? Huh? I'm thinking most of you guys were probably sleeping. I was sleeping. I didn't wake up till 7. And look at this thing. 5, I guess I might need to start waking up earlier. I'm going to start waking up at 5 a.m. It's time to change my sleep schedule so I can get these morning pumps, baby. Look at this thing. From $7 up there to a high pre-market, $24.50. The great thing about trading pre-market early in the morning, the great thing about it is there's no halts. The market's not going to halt pre-market, if that makes sense. There's no halts during pre-market and after hours. At least liquidity. You know what I mean? Liquidity halts, or not liquidity, or volatility halts. There's not ever going to be any volatility halts early in the morning during pre-market. They will halt stocks pre-market when something crazy happens, sometimes because of news and stuff like that. But in general, normally there's not going to be, a halt that happens pre-market. So, wow. I mean, look at this. From $11 on this candle up there to $24. Look at the 1-minute chart here. It was literally just from 5:30, just green, all the way to the top. Hey, congratulations if you somehow were in on that move. All right, so TCCO right now looking like it's kind of going to fizzle out here, I'd say. That's a pretty big move pre-market. It's pulling back to the $10 area. If you can't hold 10, $9.60 to $10 area, probably going to be done. But we'll see what happens if it breaks to the upside here once the market opens. Right now, TCCO pulling back hard from that pre-market high. And we've seen this happen, hundreds of times. These big moves pre-market early when there's not really much liquidity, and then when the market opens, the stock just doesn't go anywhere. But we've also seen the opposite as well. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, but once it get going. We got TENX 10X this morning. It's got 25 million shares 25 million shares traded. It's got a 12 million share float, and the news here, it looks like it got a the news this morning on TENX is that they raised the price target. The Analyst raised the price target to $5. So I don't love the news. I'm not a big fan of price target pumps. Because, I don't know, it's up 100% obviously, but wow. Some analyst out there woke up this morning and was like, hey, guess what? We loaded up when the stock was $1, right? We've been loading up for the last few days. And this morning we're going to put out a pump article, or we're going to put out a buy rating on this thing, and we're going to put a price target of $5, and we're going to pump it, and then we're going to dump it, baby. That's what it's all about right there. Welcome to America. Welcome to the stock market. It's a beautiful thing. It's just beautiful, really, when it comes down to it. The amount of fraud. This literally is just bullshit at this point. If you look, the only news today is legitimately that a company put out a buy rating, an analyst put out a buy rating. That's insane. That's literally insane. God, you gotta love it. You just gotta love it. So the other big mover this morning as well is KOSS. KOSS this morning, 15. This is the 15-minute chart. If we look at the 5-minute chart, again, this was after hours yesterday, going from $2.83 up to $8. So, man, you know what I gotta start doing? I gotta start just not living anymore. I'm never gonna leave my computer ever again. I'm gonna just sit back. I'm gonna sit here all day, every day, 24 hours a day, because it's never stopping. Look at this thing. KOSS last night going from $3 up there to $8, pulling back to the $4 area, rallying up there to $7 right before close, and then this morning just selling off from there. So we'll call it I'd say this $4 area. It needs to hold support-wise. You can see yesterday after hours, it bounced off that $4 area and then rallied all the way up there to $7. So we'll see what happens here. We'll give it a little bit of time and see if we can't get some more action. More action, more money, more time, more party. All right, so that's the top 4 movers of the day so far. We've got one mover, UUU, with a 300% move. We've got TCCO with a 160% gap, and we've got TENX with the 111, and then here KOSS with a 77%. Because, well, it's going to the moon. Everything's popping off this morning. Looking back here at UUU. It's funny to say. It's funny to say. Up there, $12 right now on UUU. We had a pre-market high at the $14 area. Not sure I'd want to be a buyer right here at 12, but, you know, hey, I've been wrong before. We'll see what happens going into market open. Got about 12 minutes here until the market opens, and see if we get some more action on it. Keeping an eye on the scanner for you guys, like always. I'm out here just trying to make everybody rich. Money. What do we got? We got a couple things moving around so far. What do we got? Why is this thing, I swear, sometimes, like, for some reason my trade ideas gets paused, and then it's not loading, and then it's paused again, and then it's, I don't even know what I do sometimes. I just press too many buttons, I guess. So, yeah, obviously, that breaking out on volume scanner, that's from yesterday, and a couple of halted scanners showing stuff from yesterday. We'll get a refresh once the market opens here, and we'll see what happens. UUU, they're at the $12 area. Looking at the 1 minute chart, I've been really trading on the, I've been trading cryptocurrency a lot, Bitcoin, things like that. I've been focused way more on the 5 minute chart, just kind of trying to stay away from the 1 minute chart, you know? You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of what I would like to do, stay away from the 1 minute chart. But it's been a while since I've been really messing around with these low float movers. And I don't know, maybe the 5 minute chart is just a little too slow when you got to move like this. Look, you got to move like from $9 up there to 14. But, I mean, let's look at it like this. If we look at the 1 minute chart here, it pulls back to the 9 and then kind of gets that little pop and then the drop. But if we look at the 5 minute chart, it looks a little bit better there. We can still see these big green candles pulling back there. Did it twice, kind of this little pattern of these big green candles kind of just pulling back to that trend. And then I guess once the shorts couldn't hold it down anymore, there it goes off to the races. So we'll see if we get something similar to that, maybe a pullback to the 1050 area. See a pullback to the 1050 area, and then see if this can't rally from there up to the, sorry, I'm on the wrong screen. I need somebody else here. We got the, like I said, that $9 area, these little pullbacks. Yeah, these big green candles happen multiple times. There at 6 a.m., it went from $7 to 10 and then pulled back. It had these big green candles here, had big green candles there, pulled back, and it looks like that pattern could still kind of play out in that same matter. We did have that little drop there, but we'll see if what happens going into open. I think if it breaks, obviously, above 13 here, going into open 1250 area, probably get a retest of that 15, and then maybe off to the races from there, because really, on the daily chart, there's not much resistance to worry about, I would say. I don't really think there's any resistance to worry about, is there? No, just looking back here, not really any resistance. Resistance. We got 9 minutes here till the market opens. 9 minutes. Are you guys ready? Rock and roll, baby. It's 2020. It's the final countdown. Let's get out of this. Let's go somewhere else. 2021. You better be better. I hope in 2021 is going to be better. I don't know about you guys, but I honestly, 2020 hasn't been terrible. Other than, like, everything just really being bad. It hasn't been a terrible year. I've actually probably made more money in 2020 than I've ever made before. And, yeah, it's been a good year. Bitcoin, a lot of people have been, you know, asking me, why have I not been day trading? Why have I not been trading every day live and all that? I haven't really needed to, man. My whole goal in life, my whole goal with trading was not to make a job out of it, not to work 9 to 5. My whole goal was to capitalize and put my money to work. And, yeah, Bitcoin, it's just been too easy with Bitcoin. It's crazy. I swear. Like, I just sit around and just make money. It's way less stressful. My life has been so much less stressful these past few months, not worrying about trading penny stocks, but really just like, hey, I'm sitting pretty with Bitcoin. Because if you remember back in March, Bitcoin just getting murdered, down 50% in one day. I told everyone I was buying. Everyone was like, you're an idiot. And well, here we are. Bitcoin, $27,000. That's probably that's gonna be my best trade of my life, I guess. Buying Bitcoin under 5,000. I did sell one Bitcoin recently. I sold it at 28,300. I think we're gonna have a bit of a pullback in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space here. I think people will just kind of either take some profits going into the end of the year, kind of lock some stuff down. And I think the hype train's not gonna last forever. We're gonna get some pullbacks. We gotta get pullbacks, and I'll be looking for the next opportunity to buy. I think $10,000 area on Bitcoin is gonna be another really good opportunity to buy if it gets down there again. I know it sounds crazy. It's 27,000 now, but if you look at the overall pattern, the charts, it really kind of lines up there. So right now we're looking at UUU. Like I said, kind of pulling back at the 9 EMA there. We've got the pre-market high at 1439 currently, and this thing's got a tiny float. UUU is 1.4 million share float. 1.4 million. 1.4 million in the shares. And yeah, we'll see what happens. What is my thoughts on TENX? TENX, this has a 12 million share float. It's already got 27 million shares traded on it. It really hasn't. It's up 100%, obviously, but it hasn't really done, something astronomical just yet. So I wouldn't really, if I'm looking to trade something today, I don't know if I'd really be that. I get, and at the end of the day, we're looking at everything, but I don't know if TENX is going to have the power, the rocket ship to get going here. KOSS pulling back to that $4 area. This is where it bounced yesterday off of that pullback there. Like I said, had that pullback, $4 after hours, and then bounce up there. Sid, you are considering TENX to grow your small account. I'm guessing because you think it's a cheap stock, so it's better to buy. It's $2, but it's not always the cheap ones that are the best ones to buy. I'll tell you that. You can make just as much money only buying 5 shares of a $100 stock as you can buying 1,000 shares of a $2 stock. It really just comes down to momentum and opportunity. So don't get wrapped up in the price of the stock. Get more wrapped up in the opportunity. Daily target is $100. I like it. How much money are you trading with? What's your target? How much money do you have with your target being $100 a day? So UUU looking like it's going to pull back here. We got 4 or 5 minutes till market opens here. And ding, 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 ding. How much money do you have in your account, Sid? What's your equity that you're trading with that you have a goal of $100 a day? I'm just interested to know. Donald's up 40% this year. That's pretty good. I'm only up about 500%, but hey, who's counting, Who's counting? Who's counting anymore? Once you start making over 500%, who really cares anymore, You buy the dip, you sell the rip. Buy the dip, you sell the rip. Everybody likes to party, likes to party, likes to party. All right, we got 4 minutes, people. 4 minutes till the market opens here. This is what we're looking at right now. This is the gappers. We got UUU with the 1.4 million share float. And then we've got TCCO with that pullback there. TNX, KOS, a couple things moving around. The first time, oh gosh. Well, first off, I would suggest everybody who's watching this, as always, don't go following anyone on YouTube. If some guy on YouTube says buy a stock, you might not want to buy it. Gosh, who would have thought that they would let me? Who would think that they would let me go live on YouTube to talk about stocks? What do I know? What do I know? I'm just some stupid redneck. Never even went to college. What do I know about investing? Other than whenever Bitcoin drops 50% in one day, you buy it, okay? Whenever Whenever Bitcoin, if it drops 50% in one day, you sell your left nut and you buy that Bitcoin, you know? That's what it comes down to. I'm just here to entertain. Remember that, people. This is not investment advice by any means. Just here to have some fun with you guys, and also just talk about what's going on in the market. We're all just market participants here. Will XRP ever go back? No, I've been telling people since 2017, do not buy XRP. I wouldn't touch XRP with a 10-foot pole. Not a 10-foot pole. I'd stay away from it. It's like you ever seen that movie where people, you ever seen the movies like where the gangsters put money in the fireplace, like dollar bills? Well, if you're trying to keep warm this winter and you want to burn some money, buying XRP could be your best bet. You know? I don't know how many times we got to say it. XRP, it's a scam. It's a scam. When the CEOs of the company are dumping millions and millions of XRP, what does that say about it? You know, if I'm the CEO, let's say, okay, well, not the CEOs, but whatever. Let's say I had millions and millions and millions of some cryptocurrency, and I thought that cryptocurrency was going to go to the moon one day. Why would I be selling it when it's only, 20 cents? Let's be honest here. You got to ask those questions. Why would anybody with a lot of why would anyone, if you're a CEO of a company, why would you be selling millions and millions of shares of your company if if you think it's going to go to the moon? It's confusing. Dogecoin. There we go. Dogecoin. All right, so we got 1 minute here till the market opens. This is the 5-minute chart. We'll go to the 1-minute chart just to see the price action here at open. But right now, that $11 area off the trend line kind of holding. Looking for that breakout over 1275. And then we'll see if this thing can get going. 1434, push up there and break from there. I might just buy like 100 shares here if it breaks over 1275 and see if we can't get a little rock and roll kind of party train going here. Let's see what happens. I'm watching 12, the high of this candle, 1269. So really like that 1275 area. If it pushes above there, I'm going to look to jump in and see if it can't push above 1450 area. Just with small size, this thing is obviously very volatile. I would not go and, jump in with large size right here at the bell unless it really just, give it a second. We'll give it a second here. See what happens. Getting that pullback 12. Looking like she wants to pull back some more here. Let's see. No rush. I think over 1250 should get the party started. Let's go. Like I said, didn't want to go buying just to go buy it, Watching 1250 here. 1250. 1250. Well, let's keeping an eye on the scanner for you guys as well. See what else is popping off. Everything else looks like it's kind of selling off right now. So looking like you might want to know. Having some trouble again there. Nice little bounce back on that 1 minute candle, that first minute candle. I'm thinking that this is going to go. I'm thinking it's going to go. Thinking it's going to go right here. There we go, jumping in there. Let's see if we can push up there to the 14s. Get above 13 here. My average is 1279. Looking for a break over 13. 1320, pushing up there. Beautiful. 13. I'm going to take a little bit of profit here just to lock it down, There we go. Up there at 1340. Beautiful. Real nice. They're going to get halted? Is this thing going to get halted right here? 1340? Getting halted. Beautiful. There we go. Still sitting here. looking for a push now. I think we're definitely going to get a push after this. So like I said, I jumped in there, 1270 area. So basically right there above that push above there. Up there at 1342. And I think this thing has momentum to get up there above 15 out of this halt. I don't see any reason for this just to get smacked back down yet. We got to squeeze some shorts, baby. Gotta squeeze some shorts. Ross always beat you, but you are scary of trade high risk stock. What does that even mean? You guys, if you're going to try to insult me, at least use proper English. You know, I'm not going to read your terrible grammar insults anymore. I'm not going to do it, okay? I ain't going to do it. If you don't speak English, don't come over here and talk shit. KOSS getting crushed down there below $4 now. We've got UUU halted here, and we're in right now on UUU. TENX, like I said, not too excited about this one. Pulling back from the 260 and 230 area. Guys, you got to understand, everyone, it's like mind-blowing how everyone like gets so up on Ross's nuts because Ross makes money. What nobody understands is that when you make millions and millions of dollars selling courses, it doesn't matter if you even make any money day trading. Like you could, it doesn't matter. Like it's basically like, it's like fun money at that point, like if you make $1 million selling courses in 1 month, who cares if you lose any money trading? It really means nothing. It absolutely, I don't know about you guys, but like for me, if I lose money trading, that's money that's coming out of my pocket. That's money that I don't have to pay the rent. It's a difference. It's a big, big difference. Anybody who's on Ross's nuts, it's just okay. Be on Ross's nuts. I'm so tired of like all these people on YouTube who are so caught up on it, And I get it. I know why he does the live streams, because people think that he's the best trader in the world. People think he's the best trader in the world. I get it. KOSS bouncing from 380 now up there to the 470. I'm always flying drones, baby. I'm always flying drones. Let's see what happens here. UUU, we're going to get out of the halt here. I've still got some shares left. Looking for a push up there above $15. Really simple, really easy. This was definitely not rocket science by any means, guys. We talked about it long before the move happened. Anybody who was here 5 minutes ago knows that we talked about this move long before it happened. I made it very clear what the plan was. Made it very clear, people. These candles, the highs, 1439, what is that? 1420. So 1420 area being the next resistance. Being the next resistance here. It's so funny too, because I love how many people are all over Ross's nuts, right? Everyone loves Ross. I get it. He's a great guy. Beautiful. I love it. But it's just so funny because everybody is like, Ross is the best teacher ever. But why is it that all of his students aren't millionaires? If Ross is the best teacher in the world, then why aren't all of his students millionaires? I just can't figure that out. I'm not here to talk about Ross all day, but if all of his students are just so smart, and he's so smart, and all of them are so smart, and everyone's so smart but me, why is it that they're not millionaires? I can't understand it. I just can't understand it. Does anybody, I don't know, does anybody understand that? I can't. I don't understand it. Maybe one day I'm going to figure it out. If Ross is so good at trading and so good at teaching, then why aren't all of his students millionaires as well? I've never met a millionaire warrior trader. Just never met one. I don't know. If you are a millionaire warrior trader, give me a call. I'd love to interview you. Love to talk about it. Here we go. UUU looking for a push above 14. Ooh, getting Getting crushed to the downside there. That's not fun. This thing got halted to the downside just like that. It's going to be one of those rides, baby. Why not you can buy... See, again, you got to... Don't come over here and use fucking terrible English. You know? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't come over here and use your terrible English to try to insult me. Why would I need... I don't need to buy Ross's courses to know that it's all... Trust me, guys. Ross Cameron learned everything that he knows from Tim Sykes. Ross Cameron was one of Tim Sykes' students in the beginning. It's not rocket science, guys. It's not rocket science. Good thing we took a little bit of profit there. A little bit of a crazy ride so far. Look at that. Getting crushed. Getting halted to the downside. Up, down, all around. Let's go. What else we got moving right now? We got TCCO. Everything's looking pretty flat right now here pre-market. Or after pre-market, I guess. TCCO. We got TENX. Having trouble there. Kind of slowly going. KOSS bouncing off that $4 support again. Look at that push up there. Trying to get going. 460 now on KOSS from that 430 up there to 470. I like KOSS above 5. If I'm going to be looking to get into KOSS, I like to get it above this area here. I think there's a little bit of resistance at that area, that $5 area. So I don't want to be buying here going into that resistance. I want to see this thing break above that resistance, and then we kind of have like a halt level. We have like a halt level up there at the 550, 560 areas. So yeah, we'll see. Can you make money by copying my trades? No, you're going to lose everything you have. This is not, don't come here to copy. Come here to party, baby. We're only here to have fun. Rainbows and rainbows. Rainbows and happy times. There's some guy speaking in Russian right now. I don't know what he's talking about. I can't do it. You're in the wrong country, my friend. This is the America. We speak in English in this chat. Can't even block me either because of the damn thing. Are you kidding me? I can't even block him. Damn you, YouTube. Damn you. TENX. I don't know, man. I don't like it. I don't like TENX. I don't like it at all. I think there's better opportunities. Halted. Oh my gosh. UUU's halted because of news now. So it might stay halted for a while. It might stay halted for a while here. Good thing we took profit there already. I'll tell you one thing, people. Don't go chasing waterfalls. You know? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Do I know how to calculate the halt time? Yeah, the halt time would be 5 minutes. Whenever it got halted, it'd be a 5-minute halt. But it looks like UUU might have been halted because of news. Let's see. Look at the NASDAQ. Halt. NASDAQ halts. We're looking right now. UUU. It's got an M, which M is wait. Trading halt codes. M is M. Yeah. It's still showing that it's a volatility halt, that it's not a news halt. But this kind of happened yesterday as well. This got halted at 9:36, so it should be reopening here in about 2 seconds if it's going to reopen. Normally, there's either a 5-minute halt or there's a 10-minute halt, and that's kind of based on a couple different things. But yeah, that's kind of how it goes. I feel like they just make it up as they go, basically. They just make up shit. They're just like, oh, yeah, we're going to halt this one for 5 minutes. Oh, we're going to halt this one for 10 minutes. Oh, we're going to halt this one for an hour. So, yeah, it looks like it's going to be halted for longer than 5 minutes because this candle, I mean, got RAG's halted now? RAG's halted from $3 up there to $3.45 now. Also, TCCO getting halted here from $9.62 up there to $11.87 now. Like I said earlier, kind of looking at this thing, had a big move pre-market. Big move. Big move on that one. So UUU looks like it's going to be halted for longer than we thought. ACY doing something here as well, getting halted. Going from $9 to $10, getting halted to the downside there. A lot of halts today. A lot of halts. So TCCO, looking at this one again. The float on this is 1.4 million shares. So it's got a small float, obviously. And the news today is it says Universal Technical Institute announces a purchase of Arizona campuses and optimization initiatives at campuses in Arizona and Florida. I don't really know why that's the news. That's not really the news for them. But we'll see. TCCO halted here. Let's see if it'll push above 12. If you're going to be a buyer, obviously you want to see that push above 12. After that, we've got 13. Really, there's a lot kind of get above this $14 area, and then next resistance up there at the 17s. So just like that, basically. So over 14, looking better than over 12 here. So over 12, we got resistance coming right up there at the 14s. But over 14, looking a little bit better up there to the 1760 area there on TCCO. We got this stock here, WHLM, getting halted here multiple times as well. Look at this thing, WHLM. Looking at the news on this, Wilhelmina. Is this the Wilhelmina? This is the modeling agency? This is the modeling agency. Why are they up right now? They reported, why is this stock going up right now? They got 3.2 million shares in the float for a modeling agency. This is literally like the companies that it's like a modeling agency. Like they literally, you know what I mean? Like it's like models. Interesting. Very interesting. TENX. I don't know why everyone's freaking out about it. It's not like it's relaxed. It's going up like what? 20 cents, 30 cents at a time. You know, I'm not too worried about it. Call me when it goes up $1. You know, let me know when it goes up $1. Looking for TCCO to reopen here. Why? I cannot figure out what this guy is trying to do right now with this. Can anybody else block the Russian dude? I can't do it. It won't let me do it on YouTube. Why is this? What is happening? YouTube, you're terrible.
Your online activity.
I'm blocking it. I'm tired of seeing it. I don't know if he's telling me. I can't tell if he's hating or what. What's happening? So this stock got halted at 941. It should be reopening here pretty soon on TCCO, right? No, I mean, I know how to block, David. Come on. I understand the premise of how to block someone. It's the issue of it just wouldn't let me do it. So ACY getting reopening here on the halt to the downside. Look at this thing from $11. From $11 down there to $9. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Rock and roll, baby. Ouch. Ouchies. Where's P-Man at? Oh, the Russian. Happy New Year. I'm sorry for blocking you, but I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what was going on. So this company here, WHLM, this is, like I said, this is a modeling agency. The stock is up 40% right now. Wow. Really, really popping off there. KOSS, I don't know if I'd say it's running just yet. Like I said, I want to see KOSS over $5. Over $5 on KOSS if it wants to push from there. Right now, it's looking like, there's a lot of resistance in this area. You can see multiple times getting stuck there below $5. There's no rush, right? There's no rush. Don't rush it, baby. Don't rush it, Just let it be. Let it do its thing for a little bit. I guess, so TCCO just get rehalted here? Yeah, so TCCO halted to the downside here. Whew, it's been a rough day for these low float halts right now. Most of them just getting murdered. BT, look at this thing. Getting down there to the 850 area, buy the dip, sell the rip, up there to 1039. Let's go. Okay. UUU, I think it's going to be halted for a while, it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to reopen here. It's not a normal halt. No, I'm not holding UUU. I was only 100 shares as well. I only traded, just to be clear with you guys, I only traded 100 shares on UUU. I was not buying 50,000 shares or anything crazy. Somebody here right now? I think, oh. KOSS broke 5. Pulled back there. We want to see KOSS get above 5 and then pull back, turn 5 into support, and then look to buy the dip. Because you can see right now what's going on the 1 minute chart. Definitely looking overextended. On the 5 minute chart, definitely looking overextended right now. So we're just going to slowly, we're going to slowly wait. Ooh, WHLM resumption. WHLM up there to 580, pulling back 526 area now. But like I said, KOSS, I want to see this thing close above $5. I want to see a candle close above $5 and then look for the party to start there. You can see how this candle didn't close above 5. You can see how this candle is now opening below 5, and this could be a bull trap here, my friends. That's one thing I've learned within time is instead of focusing, let's not focus on, okay, this candle, look how this thing pushed above 5. I don't want to be buying right there. I want to be buying once this pushes above 5. It then shows me that 5 is being turned into support. Because number one, if you check it, it's very simple. It's very, very simple here, right? If it gets stuck right there, I can't even draw. Can I draw a circle on this thing? Circle, rectangle. You see how this, look at this. That candle, see how that wick on the top of that candle? Right there, baby. That is a bull trap, all right? That is a bull trap. Bull trap-a-roni. That's what they did. That's exactly what these guys did. They ran it up there above 5. They loaded up short, and then they crushed it back down there to the 4. Look at this. I mean, come on. This is textbook, people. This is literally textbook right now. Textbook bull trap-a-roni. It's literally, you can see just getting that big old wick. That wick up to the 510 area, which you can also see 511, the high on that candle, had a big wick above that $5 break before. Did the same thing, crushed it back down. It's not rocket science. I'm telling you guys, it's not rocket science. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars to learn these little simple ideas, That's just think about that, all right? Don't need to go chasing waterfalls. Looking at the halted, what's getting halted, what's not halted. BT reopening here, 1027 area. I would say BT needs to get above this $11 area. Turn that $11 area into support. But you can see a lot of resistance, a lot of price action. between 11 and 12. So it's kind of like, don't go chasing waterfalls, my friends. What's up, Fernando Guzman? What's good? What's good? BTBT. Let's go. RAG 425 going for the move here. I'd be very careful buying these halt and go stocks, as we have seen this morning. A lot of these getting just murdered. So, when the momentum is there, when the gap and go stocks are happening, you can get that party going. But right now, let's not go chasing waterfalls. IMTE is halted here. What's the deal on IMTE right now? Let's see. We've got 2.2 million shares in the float here on IMTE. Okay. Not bad. Smaller float. It's halted right now. I think if we'll let this one, IMTE, get above $6 here. Pretty simple. Get it above that $6 area, and then look for a opportunity from there. BTBT pulling back. WHLM halted to the downside here. KOSS, like I said, woo, talk about a bull trap, a bull-oney trap. I call that one. You probably can't even see the thingy here, but like literally, I mean, can you look at that? That's textbook bull trap. Textbook bull trap. Textbook. You know what I mean? It's just textbook bull trap. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't be buying for the break over a whole dollar, knowing that we got resistance right there. We got all this price action, all this resistance from that $4.90 area, $5 area, and then it's still like $5.30 right there. So what I want it, like I said, if I'm looking for a breakout, I want to see a breakout. I want to get it above 5, and then I want to see these candles closing above $5. I don't want to see just one big spike and then bam, letting it go, I think, Brandon's got a good plan. Just kind of waiting, letting these stocks figure out which way they want to go. There might be some opportunities later, trading some of these pump and dumps, kind of, if they find a base for a little bit, kind of squeeze some shorts out at the end of the day. Could be some opportunities there. XRP, what about it? I think it's going to 0. I don't know if it's going to 0, but I think it's going to get murdered here at some point. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to say that XRP is going to 0. I'm just gonna say it. I don't know if people want to hear it, but I'm gonna say it. I've been saying XRP is going to 0 since it was like $2. So, I'm doing pretty good so far. I actually shorted XRP the other day, and it was funny because everybody's like, "Oh, you're gonna short this thing? Oh my God, you're an idiot." Okay, gotcha. WHLM, I don't know what this thing's doing. Look how low the volume in, guys. Look how low the volume is on this stock. 163,000 shares traded. This candle here is 49,000, 30,000. Ross Cameron could buy this whole. All this volume alone could be Ross Cameron. So it's like, don't go chasing stocks with no volume. We need volume. We need action. We need momentum, baby. Momentum, action, volatility. You know what I mean? We need that action, baby. IMTE looks like it's still halted here. Like I said, it needs to get above that $6. We'll see. Does the guy actually ever make money? Me? No. Never made any money. I'm just doing this for fun. Just for charity. For the little kids out there. I never understood is like, what would be the difference between me making money and me not making money? You know what I mean? If I don't make money or I do make money, that's not going to affect your bank account either way. You know what I mean? Like, no matter what I'm doing here, it's not going to matter to you. Like, if I make $1 million a day, you're still going to be fucking broke. So it's like, why does it matter what some guy on the internet makes money-wise? You think, it's like what? You think I'm a smarter person because I made $500,000 today? It's like, I think people just get really caught up in this whole how much money these people make. BTBT still below that $11 area. Credibility. I don't know. Credibility. My credibility is like, I've basically never been wrong. Okay, I've been wrong a few times, but you know what I mean? I've never been wrong. If you look back, you go back in my videos and you go back and you look at all the different videos I've made over the years. Crushing it. The reason, you know why I really like sheep is because when Bitcoin dropped down to the $5,000 area and I made a video, everybody commented saying that Bitcoin was going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. You don't know what you're talking about. Everyone said that to me. And guess what? Bitcoin, where's it at now? 27,000. So it's like, don't try to give me advice on life. Don't try to tell me what to do. Because obviously most people have no fucking clue what they're talking about. So I don't know. I feel like I know what I'm talking about. IMTE above $6 now, like that area we were saying, it's halted. This thing has made some big moves in the past. Up there to 1350. Going to the moon right now. I think the SPY has to fill that gap. I talked about this yesterday, that SPY needing to fill that gap. This is the gap I'm talking about, like down here to the 369 area. So, know what I mean? 369. It's just that gap, man. Gaps like to get filled. I don't know about you guys. It's just like gaps like to get filled on the SPY. Look at that. 371 and 368. There's a big old gap in the chart. We got to get that filled. It's got to get filled. You know what I mean? It's just got to get filled here. 15 shares of UUU. Kevin G coming in hot. Coming in hot. I like it. Philip. This is your last week of staying green for 2 months. Come on, baby. Let's go. All the way. RHE halted to the downside. Look at this thing from 430 down there at 337. Don't do it. Terrible. You mean you are guilty that you know you cannot make that money anyway? I don't know what that means. I never understood why people that don't think I know what I'm doing would watch my... It's like, are you fucking a moron? Like honestly guys, if I thought that somebody on YouTube was not good at trading and not smart, I wouldn't watch their videos. You know, like I would watch somebody else's. I would do something else. I just wouldn't waste my fucking life. But clearly, I guess I'm doing something right, you know? I don't know. Like, if I thought someone was bad at trading, I wouldn't watch their videos. But they keep coming back and watching the videos. PHCF halted. Up there to the $4. Don't worry, guys. It's not, what people need to understand too is a lot of what I do is just for, you know, get reactions, you know. Like if it looks like I'm having a meltdown, it's because I'm just doing it for fun. You know, I'm here to get views. You know what I mean? I'm here to get views. I'm here to make money. I'm here to get the views. It's funny because everyone hates me for getting the views, but it's like, I don't know what else you want me to do. Like I said before, I'm not here for fucking charity. If I wanted to start a charity, I wouldn't start a YouTube trading charity. I go save puppies or something in China, or I don't know, go to Africa and become a game warden, protect some elephants or something. Not gonna waste my fucking time on YouTube trying to teach people how to day trade. It won't even matter. I'm fading. I don't know what that means. What does that even mean? My YouTube has done nothing but gone up. You see this chart here, UUU? That's like my YouTube. It's just gone up, 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 up. Forever, baby. It's forever. It's just been going up forever. So it's like people just keep talking, but my YouTube just keeps going up. I don't know. It's something's working. I can't figure it out, but something is working here. I got people that'll say that I'll say that people think that Mir Barak is like the best trader in the world, and it's like the fact that somebody out there believes that just proves how fucking retarded people are. I'm not gonna get deep into that conversation, but I mean, let's be honest, people. Let's be honest. TENX from 270 back down to 229. Like I said, didn't like it. Everybody was talking about it. And now pulling back down to 229. So, hey, a broken clock's right twice a day. KOSS down there to 360. Like I hate to say I told you so, you know? But I told you so. There you go. Let's go, Brandon. Buy the calls. Some guy the other day said, some guy said he wanted to buy puts on my channel. I said, let's go. I'll sell them to you. If anybody wants to buy puts, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start a website that people can buy puts on Patrick Whelan. I will sell you guys puts all fucking day. Who wants to go? If you think you're that badass, let's go. I'll make the contracts. I'll buy the puts. You can, we'll make it like, hey, you think that by the end of 2021, my YouTube count's going to be under 120,000. Let's go. I'm down. Let's go. Let's do it together. I'm selling puts. Anybody's interested, let me know. Call me up. Let's go. RHE 330 right now. I think YouTube might block me one day, actually. They might delete my account. They don't like the conservatives. They don't like the conservatives here on the platform. OS, I'll sell you 130,000 subscriber puts right now. If I go below 130,000 subscriber puts, you earn premium, baby, on every dollar. Every subscriber lost, you can earn a premium now. Let's go. I'll write the contract right now. 130,000 subscriber puts. If you think you got it, let's go. I'm out here just trying to make some money, you know? Guys, you know what the funny thing is like I started day trading for what? To make money, right? I started day trading to make money. I don't know why you guys started doing it. Bill Bugatti, do I ever want to do a video together? Maybe one day once you have 1 million followers, Bill. Until then, I'm only here for the clout. For the clout, baby. TENX down there to 228. Everybody was all excited about this one earlier. But guess who wasn't? Guess who wasn't excited about TENX? Just guess. Somebody guess out there. I'll pay you $5 to guess. Who wasn't excited about this stock? So IMTE still halted here, 630. This got halted at what, 957? We got a lot of these stocks getting halted for a lot longer than I would think they would get halted. We've only got 74 likes. You guys, I'm going to turn this thing off if we don't get 100 likes within the next 2 seconds. So take your little fingers and get on clicking. Click, 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 click. What does that mean? Cartel's best. You sound a little under the influence. Nah, man. I go hard in the paint. Go hard in the paint. Go hard in the paint, 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 paint. RHE bouncing from 340 now. Let's see what happens here. Got to hold that 340. It's going to just get gone. RHE is going to get halted to the upside here. Come on, let's go. Let's do it again. Yesterday, RHE going from, what, 297 the low up to 1577. Looking like she wants to do something here. Got to get above $4. Above 4 for the rocket ship to turn on the rocket boosters. John, where the fuck were you at when the market opened? We've already made the trade, okay? Like, it's insane, man. It's insane. Don't go chasing waterfalls. TE. I'll tell you one thing that I will never do. I'm not going to ever make a trade because some guy on YouTube tells me to make a trade. That's for sure. Oh my, we haven't got over 100 likes. I'm out of here. I'm leaving. This thing I better refresh it.
Steve and Dave
only 97 likes. I'm done. It's over. Can't do it anymore. No love, man. Everyone just wants to take. IMTE getting halted to the downside here. It looks like up there to 690. Everyone just wants to know how to get rich, but they don't want to help me get rich, you know? I want to get rich. You don't want to get rich. I want to get rich. John's getting put in timeout. You know what makes people really mad? Is when you put him in timeout, man. They fucking, oof. He's so pissed right now. He's sitting in his mom's basement. He's sitting there and he's just, no, I don't want to be in timeout. He's so upset. He's so fucking upset. Thanks. We're at 106. Terrible. No, you're in. Portuguese. You're in. I would never block a Portuguese. TE and X down there at 219. All the masters of day trading here. All the masters of day trading told me to buy it. You know? Everybody, all the masters of day trading told me to buy it, but they just didn't do it. They didn't do it, did they? Nope. They didn't do it. You guys are retarded. Everyone's retarded, literally. What is happening? Like arguing. People are arguing in the chat right now. Like arguing. Did I trade today? Here you guys go. Are you ready? It's big money. Big money. Are you ready? I want everyone to get really excited here. There you go. Here it is. I can't pull it up on the other screen because it won't pull up. $45. You. Relax. Oh my gosh. It's like, oh man. Bro, let's make an experiment. You make an IB account so you can only withdraw the money. I make you by starting trading with 10,000. At 30K, you leave me 10K to continue for myself. Wait. So you're going to invest 10,000 and then I get to take 20,000, so then you get ended up with 10,000? Weird. It's weird. Seems like a weird investment plan. Yeah, I made $45, Kevin. I don't know why. I've never bragged. I've literally never bragged about how much money I make trading. I've never done that. And people get like so butthurt about like if I don't make millions. Honestly, like never once have I claimed to be some expert day trader. That's the best part about it. IMTE halted to the downside there. Interesting. A lot of these stocks is getting halted to the downside. Getting halted to the downside here. BT getting crushed there from 1040 back down there. KOSS. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Talk about the bull trap. I don't know about you guys, but that's just textbook. Textbook bull trap right there, boys and girls. From $5, getting that break above 5, and then just getting murdered to the downside here. There are a little bit of shares of short, but a little late to that party, aren't we? That's a bull tower. I'll tell you one thing. You'll never lose money. You'll never lose money by not taking bad trades. You know what I mean? Like, you're just not going to do it. You're not going to lose money if you just don't take bad trades. Like yesterday on ACY, those are one of the days. Like, all you need to do is just wait for the right opportunity. You get in a stock like ACY, it goes up 100%, and you're pretty much done for the month, you know? But if you would sit around all day, every day, trying to make money off every little mover, every little stock that goes up and down, you're just gonna battle. You're gonna do a couple different things. You're gonna lose mental capital. You're gonna lose capital. You're gonna pay a ton of commissions, and you're gonna just kill yourself by doing that. So it really, people think that it's like you got to sit here all day long and make trades, but that's the worst idea ever. IMTE probably gonna get halted to the downside again here. Some of the best traders in the world make the least amount of trades. I know that sounds like, oh yeah, it's so philosophical, but it really is the truth. Some of the best guys just sit around every day and they just wait and they wait and they wait and they wait and they finally get that opportunity where they just crush it. You know, you really do not need to sit here all day, every day and just trade. You don't have to do it. You just don't have to do it. I know you want to. I know everybody wants to. But you just patience. You know, just patience, people. You still halted. That's a good one. Good name on that one. You. So we had a bunch of stocks this morning that gapped up big. Let's look at all the stocks that gapped up big, and then let's talk about it really quickly. So you gapped up big this morning. Pre-market getting stuck right below that pre-market high. We've talked about that before. That pre-market high, man, it's so important. The stock's got to get above that pre-market high because if a stock can't break above pre-market high, the shorts are going to use that pre-market high as a risk level, and they're going to just hammer it back down. So you, good example of not getting above that pre-market high there. Let's look at TCCO. Same idea. This one was kind of already getting hammered this morning, so I wouldn't really say it's like the same idea here, but still multiple times that resistance area. This is also showing that perfect little bull flag, perfect little bull trap there, up there to the $13 area, and then it's getting crushed back down. Again, I want to see candles closing above resistance. I want to see candles closing above resistance, not just breaking above resistance, you know? Not just breaking. So, what else? We got TENX. This one, pre-market high on this one was 278. And guess where it got stuck at? I wouldn't say it's rocket science. The high on these candles, 274. Multiple times getting stuck there at 274. And look at that. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Rock and roll, baby. So we pretty much seen the similar pattern for all these big gappers this morning. All of them getting stuck there at pre-market highs and showing us that they didn't have the power to get going higher. What else we got going here? Just kind of searching through here. It's 10 o'clock. Like I said, just kind of testing out a couple different setups and things like that this morning. So, RHE getting halted again? RHE getting halted again here, 416 from the 370. Look at this thing. These halts are just killing, man. They're just, it's so hard to trade. You get all these halts. It's just like, what are you going to do? What are you going to do, you know? What are you going to do, Junior? Up there to 420, getting pulled back now. Oh, man. What are you going to do there, you know? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the rich that you used to. I know that gonna stay hard. You going to. Hey, John Money, I know you're still watching. You keep talking about how I'm fat. John, wherever you live at, I will buy you a plane ticket. I will fly you to Florida, and we will go into the MMA, into the octagon, and I will destroy you with my fatness. So anytime you want to go, you just let me know. I'll buy you a plane ticket. You can fly on down. We'll film the whole thing, man on man, big, knuckles on knuckles. Let's go. Anybody who wants to go, I will film it. It'll be amazing. We'll live stream it on YouTube. It'll be great. Anybody who thinks they're the baddest motherfucker around, let me know. Call me up. Let's go. Let's go. Anybody and everybody. I don't care how big you are. I don't care how big you are, how small you are. No, there will be no guns. I'm not trying to kill anyone. We're having a friendly little boxing match. A friendly little boxing match. TCCO, whoa. Look at this thing. Let's see if it breaks over 14 here. I like it over 14. Brandon getting the trade on TCCO. Like I said, wasn't really liking it in this area between 12 and 14. A lot of resistance there. It's not rocket science. It ain't rocket science. I don't believe in charity. Or, well, I do believe in it, but I don't know. It'd be great. I'm going to try to figure it out. I'm going to try to figure out how I can get on the next YouTube boxing card. You know how they have Logan Paul and those guys have been doing different boxing and stuff? How can I get on there? Let's go. It'd be great. So TCCO halted to the downside, getting stuck right there at that resistance again at the $14 area. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting it is. Kevin, I guarantee I'm not even gonna get into it with you, because you just want attention. Kevin just wants attention. It's literally all he wants. He just comes here just for the attention. Some lonely little kid living in his mom's basement just wants attention. So he comes here and he just wants attention from me. But I ain't giving it to him. Not giving it to him. I ain't giving it to him. Ain't gonna get it from me. Ain't gonna get it. All right, what do we got? Let's see. TCCO halted. We got a couple stocks. Pretty much everything that gapped up pre-market getting halted or crushed. These halts are just becoming just a killer, Just becoming killer. Oh, trust me, I'm not worried about my looks, I don't know if you guys have seen, but on my Instagram, I have no problem. I have no problem with the ladies. Zero problems. I might actually have more problems with the ladies than I do without them, if you know what I mean. It's hard. Kevin, you'll never get a girlfriend. That's the thing. You said if I had a girlfriend. Kevin, you're never gonna get a girlfriend. So let's be honest, Don't talk about things that are never gonna happen. But keep dreaming, baby, because there's always gonna be someone out there for everybody, All right, so I really got a lot of work to do today. It's 10:20 in the morning. I've been on here way longer than I needed to be. TENX bounces from 230 up there to 275. 275 being the next resistance there. That right there, 945. that resistance there. So RHE resumed here, 416, up there to 484. Looks like we're gonna get a repeat of yesterday here. RHE going to the mood. We'll see what happens. I'm interested. I'm interested to see what happens here. RHE. Look at the volume on these candles. 278,000 shares traded on that candle right there. This thing's going up, my friends. Oh my baby Jesus. I don't even know what to do. Let's see what happens. I'm going to wait a little bit longer to see what happens. What happens here from 480 area, 490. I'm gonna stay a little bit. I'll stay live and see what happens out of this. What's your offer now? What is John's offer? I'm a man of my word. Patrick, if you send me your email, I will send you 300 if you can prove you don't live in your mom's basement. Well, luckily for you, there are no basements in Florida. And also, luckily for you, you can watch all my videos. Hey, John, here, I'll link you a video, actually. I'll send it to you. Living on my own. This is actually in my mom's basement. John, I've got more money. I've got more money in guns than you've got in your bank account. That's how sad it is. That's literally how sad it is. It's that sad, John. It's that sad. I can't even find the video now. Where did I move in at? New house. Who dis? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the mix that you used to. I know that you don't. Waiting for this to reopen on RHE here. Let's see what happens. Trying to find this damn video of my... It's hard to find. It's hard to find here, huh?
Johnson & Johnson.
My mom's dead, by the way. Fucking John. It's like, how would I live in my mom's basement? She's fucking dead. Real insensitive, aren't you? You're really fucking insensitive here. Robert, I'm just here to insult the viewers. Can I do a boat tour video? I already got a boat tour video. All right, so we're waiting for RAG to reopen here. See what happens. Should I just jump in? What do you think? 5,000? 5,000? Oh, man. Fight Club hey, number one rule of Fight Club is we don't talk about Fight Club. Okay? Brandon, you know the rules. No, you're not sorry. You're just a fucking troll on YouTube who just literally has nothing fucking better to do but sit here and talk shit. So don't say you're sorry. Just because I said my mom's dead, don't say you're sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're not. You're still a little bitch. So I don't take your apology. I don't give a fuck either way. You know? I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make enemies. Y'all get too serious, I swear. Everyone gets so serious on here. I'm just having fun, man. Just trying to have something. Just trying to entertain myself, you know? This isn't even a YouTube channel. It's just a big joke. Just here to get the money, baby. I'm not gonna beg. I'm not gonna tell people like, hey, you know, like I don't. At the end of the day, like if everyone wants to unfollow me, that's totally fine. You know, I'll survive. I've been living and I've been okay long before I was on this YouTube channel. That's one thing a lot of people don't know about, like, you know, you look at people like Ricky, you look at Ross, like those guys, they couldn't survive before YouTube. I've been thriving, I've been surviving long before YouTube, and I'll keep surviving, keep going hard. I ain't ready, you know? You can't stop. You can't stop me. Can't go. Let's go. I feel weird sitting down. I want to stand up, but I like to sit down more. RHE, this thing's still halted here. When is it going to reopen? Should be reopening here any second now. Ooh, $5. Seeing if we get a break over 520 here on RHE. I'm going to jump in there. 515, look for a push up here. Going to get halted. And there we go. Hey, John, there's your trade. I did it. Did it for you, buddy. I did it for you. Did it for you. I did it for you. It happened for you. TE and X having trouble there. 260 again. Like I said earlier, that pre-market high, 275, 270. You know, I've lost, honestly, I've lost more subscribers than most people have ever gained on YouTube. So, you know, you can't come at me. You know what I mean? Like, it don't hurt me. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. It feels good. I like the pain. I like the pain. I like the pain, baby. Bring on the pain. All right, so RHE jumped in there, 515, out at the 540. What is he talking? Oh my, I can't. I just can't with John anymore. Just can't with him. John, you got to stop, bro. You got to stop. You got to go get a life. This is what I want you to do, John. I want you to get up, right? I want you to get up, and I want you to walk outside, and I want you to just look up in the sky, and I want you to remember that you're just always going to be a piece of shit, and you're always going to be fucking worthless, and no one's going to ever remember anyone by the name John Money. First off, you got a fake name on YouTube. It says a lot about you. But number one, no one's ever going to remember you, John. No one's ever going to remember you. That's the sad part about it. And I'm not trying to be mean here. I'm just trying to be honest, you know? No one in this world is ever going to remember your name. But guess what? They will remember my name, John. They will remember my name. They will, you know? Here you go, John. $400. $400. Live on YouTube. Do you want it? I'll send you $400, John, so you can move out of your mom's basement. Gosh, can't. This is what I don't like to live stream, because it's like, why does it matter how much money I make? If I make no money or I make a lot of money, at the end of the day, it's you know, like, it doesn't matter either way. That's what y'all got to get over. Everyone's like, man, Russ is so good at trading. He makes $100,000 in one day. He's so fucking good. He's the best trader in the whole wide world. Like, it's not about, you know what I mean? It's not about that. You'll never get rich day trading, first off. Day trading is like, you think, you know, you see all these guys on YouTube. The reason that Ross Cameron sells courses, the reason he does all that shit is because you're not going to get rich day trading. You know what I mean? You're not going to get rich day trading. I know it sounds silly, but you just won't. You just won't get rich day trading. I am no longer in RHE. I got out of RHE once I saw that it was going to halt again because I did not want to get halted to the downside. But RHE might go to $50 from here, and it's totally fine, you know? No. That's what you don't understand. You'll never get rich by working. You'll never get rich by trading. There's difference. Like, you just will not get rich by anything in this world that you have to actually sit in front of a computer and do something in, because there's not enough hours in the day. You know what I mean? There's not enough hours in the day to get rich from doing anything that takes time. So you have to have, you know, you got to have investments. You got to have all this other stuff to make money. You just will never get rich by just day trading. It just will not happen. You know what I mean? You just won't do it. That's why I have the YouTube. That's why I've got my marketing stuff. That's why I've got other companies. That's why I got all this stuff going on. So I'm just sitting back. Even when I'm getting a blowjob, you know, I'm making money. It's not about working. You'll never get rich by working. And day trading is working. You know what I mean? Like, day trading legitimately is work. Like, it's not fun, you know? You'd be way better off, like, buying Bitcoin back in March at $5,000, getting a 300 or 400% return. That's a much better trade-off. Buying Litecoin when it was $23, selling it at $130. You're going to make a lot more money doing that, you know? You won't make any money just trying to be a day trader all day. John, but you don't make money. So I don't know why you're here trying to give us advice on it. RHE up to the 550 area from this thing. You can't trade these halts, man. These halts, they just be murder. You're going to get murdered at some point. UUU still halted. RHE still halted. Lots of halts going on here, man. Lots of halts going on here today. BRN just got halted. BRN from $1.20 to $1.46 there. Yes, everybody's getting rich every day trading. That's why there's so many millionaire day traders. That's why there's so many millionaire day traders out there, aren't there? Y'all seen how many millionaire day traders do you guys actually know in real life? Does anybody in this chat actually know a millionaire day trader in real life? Does anybody? No, you don't. You don't know it. Look at this. Like, what? TCCO goes from 940 to 1116, gets halted. What? These halts are insane. These halts are insane. You know? John, I can make $100 day trading every day. And that's like, I know that sounds like, oh yeah, everyone says that. But making $100 day trading every day is easy. The problem is everybody wants to make more money, and I can't live on $100 a day. So it's like, I got to make more money, more risk. It's just not that easy. Making $100 is easy. Making $1,000 a day gets harder. You know, the more money you want to make, the harder it gets, because it comes down to size and it comes, scalability. It's just not that simple. No. But one thing, I want to make something very clear. For everybody out there who thinks that Ross Cameron is like a millionaire day trader, nobody, not one of you guys, nobody has ever seen real broker statements from Ross Cameron. Nobody's actually seen real broker statements. And that's not like me making accusations. But do not tell me that you think that somebody on the internet is a millionaire or this blah, 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 because nobody's actually seen the money. You know what I mean? No one's actually seen the money. Same thing with Ricky. Everyone's like, oh, Ricky's a millionaire. But you haven't seen that. No one's seen his bank account. Don't lecture me on who's rich and who's not, because you haven't seen. Everyone's, oh, Steven Dux is a millionaire. No, never seen it. Never seen it. My problem is if I was like 22, I'm too old, man. If I was 22, I could really milk some stuff, here. This is, what my favorite thing about Steven Dux is? So Steven Dux puts out, no, wait a second. Steven Dux puts out a broker statement, and he gets it audited by the same company that audits the broker that he works with, that he gets commission from. The same company audits his broker statements that audits the brokerage in Jamaica. Like, what? Why would you, if you're such a millionaire investor, why your accounting firm is the same accounting firm that your broker uses in Jamaica? Huh. I don't know about you guys, but it doesn't add up. It just never adds up for me. I never understood it. Well, I never understood. I've never understood how people can be such sheep. Yes, I know, and everyone told me that everyone told me that Mir Barak and TradeNet was legit as well, didn't they? Oh, but guess what? The SEC shut them down. Because everybody's so fucking smart. You know, everyone's so smart. Everyone's so smart. Everyone's so smart, aren't they? Everyone is so genius. How much capital do I use? $1 million. 1 million. No, John. See, this is what I'm tired about. People like they come here and they just want to take. But I need something in return. You know, I need to feel loved. I need to feel the love. I need to feel the love. RHE halted there at 550. We got volume on that candle 306,000. Insane. Reopening up there at a 6 now. Looks like it wants to pull back here. Let's see if she pushes again. Gets above 6. Oh, baby. Jump in there, 597. Taking a quick profit there, and we're out. Above 6. Beautiful. Here comes the drop, the pop, the drop, and the pop. Gonna get halted to the downside here. Beautiful. RHE. It's up. It's down. It's all around. So, there it is. Whew. I really have a lot of work to do today. I gotta do a lot of work. I know it's crazy. Fuck. If everyone paid $5 a month, I would be rich. I'd be rich. Super rich. Oh, I wish, man. That would be nice. Be real nice. Maybe one day. I'll do it one day. We'll see what happens. All right, so yeah. RHE looks like it's might be a little done. I was hoping for another push to the upside. Would be really nice, but what kind of work do I do? I'm just an all-around. I'm a move maker, man. I do all types of stuff. I make things happen, you know? Just making things happen all the time. I got a hot date coming over. We're going to go have some lunch. So fuck, if everyone paid me 50 cents a month. God, why can't everyone just give me $1 a month? Come on. Guys, what would you rather want, you know? Would you rather give me $1 a month so that I can live like a millionaire? Or would you not rather give me $1 a month? You know what I mean? Like, it would just be a lot easier if everyone gave me $1. You know? Like, if everyone gave me $1, then I could literally just live like a millionaire and my life would be so much easier. I would just post cool videos of like me doing millionaire stuff. I really think it would be nice if everyone could just help me out. $1 to stop talking. That's not. I don't know if that's worth it. I get more. Hey, John Cock. Is that a cock? No. Oh. What do you get for $1? I don't know. What do you get when you buy a Starbucks coffee? What do you know what I mean? Like, what do you get when you do anything with $1? What is $1 even nowadays? It's like, it's not even real money. $1 is basically like, just wipe my ass with $1. It's not even real. It's fake. It's pennies. So if I saw $1 on the ground, I would just leave the $1, you know? Honestly, look, if I saw $1 on the ground, like how many of you would actually pick it up? I would just walk on right by it. Just literally $1, I'm walking by it. $5, maybe I'm picking it up. Definitely picking up a $10 bill. $20 bill, I'll pick up. $100 bill, I'm jumping on that bitch. But a $100 bill, nah, just leaving it. I mean, a dollar bill. All right, so we pretty much, I feel like it's done. I think we're here. I think we're here. I think it's good. Hey, I just want to say something to everybody out there. You got to understand, like, I do, I say these things. I'm not really that bad of a person. I'm not as terrible as I see him on YouTube. I just do that because it gets everyone all excited, It gets everyone all mad, and it just creates more fun, Honestly, I hope that I can help someone out there not make the same mistakes that I made when I first started trading, because I made a lot of mistakes. I did it all. I did a lot of bad mistakes, baby. I've done everything. Every bad mistake you can make as a day trader, I did it. When I first started, I did all this stupid shit. I did it all. Did every terrible mistake. So there it is. Everything's just kind of up, down, halted around all over town. Yeah, some fun today. So maybe I'll live stream tomorrow. Maybe I won't. But for sure, I'll definitely live stream the first of 2021, Monday next week. Hopefully I live through the new year. You never know. It's not over yet. 2020, the aliens could invade. The aliens could invade still. It's still young, man. The 2020 is not over yet. The aliens could invade the day before. Do I make any videos other than day trading? Yeah, I got I got a video about my life video. I got lots of videos. There's like 1,000 videos. BRN up there to the $2 area. If you're really, if you're looking to party here, over $2 would make sense. But again, let's look for those breaks over those whole dollars. Let's look for, things popping off there. So. Bill Bugatti trying to get those followers. Bill, trust me, I've built a YouTube channel. It ain't that easy, my friend. I hope that you become successful, but the best way to get famous on YouTube is to I don't know, make good content, make good videos. Phillips picking up pennies. Holy shit. I think it's been like 10 years since I picked up a penny. Maybe 20. I don't even remember the last time I picked up a penny. BRN looking for that break over 2. Can she go over $2? Get a little quick pop. Pop-a-rooney. Bill's working it hard. I like it. I like the hustle at least. I appreciate the hustle. That's why I haven't blocked him yet. Because I appreciate the hustle. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I got to get some work done. Make some money other than trading. But, right now, BRN. Whoa. Sounds like there's a bird in the ceiling. There's an animal up there, I think, in the ceiling. Getting really tight here. Look at this. BRN getting real tight there. There's no pennies in Canada. There's only 5 cents. That's awesome. Bit of a bull flag right here. If BRN can hold that $1.80 area. Oh, gosh. Dude, I'm getting low on the coffee. Getting low. What was the buy? What was buy the tip or only the tip? Only the tip. 180 needs a hold. Needs a hold. There's no 2 cents in Australia. Oh, look at that. Not holding that 180 area. BRN. Got the VWAP. Got the 9 EMA right there. It's bouncing off $1.70 area. The low on these candles $1.70. We've got Lee coming through with the $5. $5 make you hollers. I don't know why there's a zombie person. Pump and dump is illegal. I guess who you ask. If you ask Ross Cameron, pump and dumps are not illegal. Really depends, I guess, who you ask. So, yeah. It's only illegal if you get caught, I guess. I guess pump and dumps are only illegal when you get caught. So there it is. Again, thank you to everyone who watched. I'll be live next next Monday, 2021. Maybe I'll be live tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. All right. I love you guys. I love everybody. I love you all. Even money traders and what is the name? John Money. Love John Money. He's the best. I'll see you guys. I'll see you around. I'll be here. Well, I'll be there.